Hello everyone, welcome back. Now I am going to discuss with you the second tracing method is called selection sort technique. Before going to solve it, we just quickly revise the mantras of selection sort. What is the first one is find out the smallest. Here we are going to concentrate on finding the smallest element in the list. After that it is n minus 1 passes, and again the important point here is what? Swap only at the end of the pass. This is very important. We are not going to swap each time, but we are going to swap only at end of the pass, and you are going to swap it from the first position. This is very important point. Now with this three mantra we are going to start solving the selection sort. Now again in the pass one I have written it in the box. So first you have to count how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. So which means how many passes you are supposed to do? 4 passes you are supposed to do it. Right? Now first you have to start with pass first element to the second element. 88 and 77. Now here you have to compare it. What is that comparison? 88. Which symbol you have to do? You are going to concentrate what? Smallest. So use the symbol smallest means you are indicating the smallest here. So you have to use smallest like this. 77. In bubble sort we are using largest. Only bubble sort we are going to use the symbol largest. But in selection sort and insertion sort we can use the symbol smallest. Smallest means the first number, whatever the number you are taking, that you are pointing out to the smallest. Clear? Minimum value here. You have to identify what the smallest element, right? What is the minimum value here? Which is smaller? 88 or 77? 77 is the smaller. Minimum is nothing but the smallest element. Or if you don't want to mention minimum, just mention small. Small equal to 77. Is it clear? Next you have to go here. Now what is the smallest one? 77. So 77 only you have to take and comparing it with the next element. So now 77 smaller. 66 you are going to identify. Is it true? No. Which is the smallest now? Minimum is now what? 66. As I told you, we are not going to do any swapping like bubble sort. Only identifying the minimum. Now what is the next one? We are going to take what? 66. So 66 to what? 52. So 66 is less than 52. Again no, it is not. So minimum is what now? 52. Now 52 you have to compare it with what? 42. So 52 is less than 42. What is the minimum value now? 42. Right? Now is there anything to compare it? No, there is nothing to compare it. Now what you have to do now? After pass 1, we have to do the swapping now at the end of the pass. So what is the minimum value? 42. This is the 42. Where you are going to place it? You are going to place it to the first position. You are going to swap these two values. So 88 will come here. 42 will come in the first position. That is what I said. The mantra, you have to place the smallest element in the first position after the pass. At the end of the pass, you have to do it. So 42, 77 will be there. 66, 52, then 88 will go here. Is it clear? Now you have to mention it is not sorted. Now the pass 2 will go. Okay, in the pass 2, you have to take the same element 42, 77, 66, 52, 88. But in pass 2, make sure that it is not like a bubble sort. You have to start from the first position. Because first position is already sorted. Just now we have sorted, right? Now you have to start with the second element to third element. So 77 is less than 66. Yes, which is the minimum one. It is a 66 is the minimum now. Now the next one, you are going to compare it with what? 66 is 52. They write the same element here. 66 to 52 you have to compare it. Get 66 is less than 52. Less than means what I told you. This is a less than. The smaller one will be less than. So what is the minimum? It is 52. Now the comparison will change now. Now you are going to compare it with what? 52 to 88. You are doing a comparison. 52 is less than 88. What is the minimum? 52. Now you identify in the second pause what is the second smallest number. It is a 52. So where you are going to place it? First you are already placed. So it is going to be second. Remember, in past 2 means the second smallest will come to the second position. Okay. And in past 2 means you have to start comparing with the second element. These are the tricks you have to remember. Now you have done the comparison. After that, what is the final result? Now 42, 52 will come to the second position, 66 same position, 77 will go to the this position, then 88. Now you can see here it is already sorted. So many of them will stop here, but this is a 5 marker. You have to show n minus 1 passes. Okay, you can mention sorted also, no problem. Then come to the pass 3, write the same element 42, 52, 66, 77, 88. Now pass 3 means where you have to start the third element to fourth element. 66 is less than 77. What is the minimum? It is 66. Is it clear? Now the next one is again the now minimum is what? 66. So you have to compare 66 to 88. So 66 is less than 88. What is the minimum? 66 only. So is there any swapping is required? No swapping is required. Now go to pass 4. Pass 4 you will be writing the same element, and pass 4 fourth element to fifth element you are comparing it. So 77 is less than 88. What is the minimum? 77 only. So no swapping is required. Then you can mention it is sorted. Understood? So n minus 1 passes we have done for the selection sort. So the mantra you have to remember, find the smallest n minus 1 passes, swap only at the end of the pass from first position. And again you have to use which symbol? This symbol. Bubble sort greater than symbol. Is it clear? Now we are going to do the next insertion sort in the next video.